Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to delete a Zelle recipient in the Capital One app. This process is quite simple. What we need to do is open our Capital One app and log in. When we initially open up our Capital One mobile application, what we are going to do is carefully select our primary checking account. It is usually this particular one, clearly visible on the screen. We will then proceed to click on it, and once we have successfully done so, right here what we will then do is simply click where it prominently says Simone and Witzel, which is the account name. And we're going to click there. Okay. And well, once we click there, we're going to choose this option right here. And here we'll be able to select or delete the contact we want. As we can see here, we have the delete contact button, and that's how easy it is. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, please comment and subscribe.